Hello, this is Cherie for Just Nailed It, and today we're going to do what I'm going to call some sexy nails. I got the two nails done here. We got the white nail with the black polka dot lace foil. I think that is really, really sexy. We got our hot pink nails here, and we're putting a hot pink iridescent fine mix glitter from Charlie's Nail Art. And I think those look stunning together. So we're going to be doing that. We're going to be adding some bows on here. The other products I'm using are, my stencil glue gel by She Modern, my iMethod foil glue, and my iGel Beauty no cotton top coat. Oh dear Lord. The pain level is still going today. I just want to update you on that. The procedure they did on me last week. Well, what can I say? It didn't do no good. It didn't do no good. They did it on the right side and the left side of my back, so it's killing me. So, go figure. I'm not the doctor, I'm just the patient. I keep telling him it's muscular on the right hand side, but he doesn't listen to me. He thinks I have pinched nerves on the right hand side. I do have sciatic nerves on the left side. This pain that I've been in for the past 2 weeks is from new pinched nerves that I pinched at my waist. So we're gonna put this. Sorry. Oh, what am I doing? Get my She Modern glue gel. We're going to put these on the lamp at one time, but we are going to be doing our foil nail first. Gotta do the foil first. Whoops. Set those out to the side. Hope everyone is having a fine morning so far. I film these really early in the morning, I don't know, it's my quiet time. And this is what I like to do. So we're going to put those in the lamp, we're going to give them a cure. Like I said, we're going to take care of the foil nail first. If I can locate here's my foil. So here, what did I do with it? So let me check on my lint roller, which side is which. Okay. Got that taken care of. You just want to take your lint roller, tap the edge of it, see if it comes off. If not, you got the wrong side, sweetheart. So we have got our foil here. The glitter nails we'll take care of in a hot minute. We're also going to be putting some white bows on the stocking nails. That's what I'm going to call them, like a sexy stocking nail. And then we have our diamond shaped, I guess you call them diamond shaped. I mean a coffin shaped, vampire coffin shaped bling. And maybe some other bling along with it. Okay. Let me get my foil nail here. We are going to try our best to get full coverage. I've not had a lot of luck with foils lately. I don't know what the problem is. Right now my bedroom is cold. That's where I'm set up at, is in my bedroom. We're gonna rub like the dickens all over this nail. Rub your sides really good. Your tip. That's where I have the issues at, are the sides. We're just gonna do. Wish I could see my... Let's take my silicone tool here off camera so I can rub real good. So just take it, just rub really good over it. Like I said, I have issues with the sides. The center I always get pretty well. Nope, not yet. So I'm gonna take my nail. Oh yeah, my nails are naked. Oh yeah. I'll show them to you in just a hot minute. So let me check over here. We could have better coverage. We could have better coverage. So they just rake my nails across the foil. Well, that's not doing a very good job. We'll leave it at that. There we go, there we go. Now we can take our glitter nails out of the lamp. Or what is going to be our glitter nails. I've got me a little tray. And my hot pink fine iridescent glitter by charliesnailart.co.uk. Please use my code at checkout. All caps, NailedIt10. I greatly appreciate it. I hope you save some coin. Get you a discount on some products. Charlie's got a wide variety, a wide range. She's got a great eye. Tap, tap, tap. I'm gonna do another pour just down the center. I'm gonna press it into the glue. Just, oh shoot. What's so hard to press them? You're gonna press your tip right off your nail. Just make sure you got good coverage. I do pop these back in the lamp. Sorry about that. Oh, shoot. Here, other nail. You can apply glitter in many different ways. I like the pouring method. You can apply with the stampers, which is how I used to do it. It's really super easy. It doesn't work so well probably with the chunky glitter. But I like the fine glitters. I'm not a fan of the chunky mixes. I have a hard time with them. I just can't seem to get them to look right. Push this into your glue. And burnish it in. But make sure you got full coverage first. Tap, tap, tap. Give it a good rub. Let's stick them back in the lamp. Whoops. Give them another cure and we'll be back. Alrighty, we have returned. We have our two glitter nails here in front of us. We're going to top coat. But when top coating glitter, I do recommend 2 layers. You know, put a layer on, cure it, come back, put another layer of top coat, because it will drink it up. You want this baby smooth. I will do the second layer off camera, and that is when I will add the bows. And my bling. Can't forget about the bling, ladies and gents. So I'll put this in the lamp, give this a full cure. This already has two layers of top coat on. I was having a total brain fart. Total brain fart. But we're going to go ahead and top coat these now while those are in the lamp. Save us some time. Put another layer in here because we have to add our bling. Gotta have some bling on the nails, right? Wouldn't be a manicure without it. I remember when I started YouTube 5 years ago. July will be 5 years. I didn't have bling. I had regular lacquer, and I had my Cindy hand. That is what I had. I didn't have anything else. I didn't have the bling, the charms. I did have a couple stamping plates. So, I didn't have much. So on here, what we're going to do is, I'm going to take this off and leave on that one. We'll take our 2 bows. Whoa, Nelly. Well, this is the top of the nail. Makes this look very sexy. What do we think? Okay, I'm gonna pop those in. We're gonna leave those set for a minute. Alrighty, we are now going to put our bling on the nails. This is the top coat for set night. Hello. Hello. One of these nails is top coated. That one. Alright, alright, alright. Alright, alright, alright. Oh, we got too much. Too much. Way too much on the nail. Just wipe your brush off really good. Go back over the nail. You don't want it sloppy. My dog is over there scratching on the floor. Whoops. Rolling around like she does. Can't pick up off the mat for some reason. Oh, screw that back on. Difficult. Get that out of my way. Alright. Fix these when I come back. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. That way you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and anything important that comes across my desk. There we go on that nail. 2 more to go. 2 more to go. I'd like you to go and head over to My Nails by Johna, Johna. She is trying to build her channel. She had her 500 giveaway, but she's been losing a couple subs here and there, gaining a couple subs. So why don't you head on over, show her some love, and subscribe to her channel for me. Space those babies out a little bit more. I'd really, really appreciate that. Really would. I know she would appreciate it as well. So head on over there again. It is My Nails by Johna. JOHNA. So show her some love. Go head over to Hillbilly Nails. She has she's gonna be heading toward 1,000 here shortly. I believe she's over 700. Whoops, put that one back in there. So go help her out. Go help her get to her 1,000 mark. Give her some watch time, because in a consecutive year you need 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers to become monetized. It is not, I'm going to say this again, you can ask any subscriber that's been trying to, or any YouTuber that's been trying to build their channel. It's not easy trying to get those 4,000 hours. It's really difficult. So head over to her page, help her reach her 1,000 and her 4,000 watch hours. We're going to put that in the lamp and we're going to be right back. Alright, here we go. We are fresh out of the lamp with our finished set of our sexy polka dot lace nails. I think these turned out really cute. I really like them a lot. The hot pink glitter, the black lace foil, I think those turned out really well. Let me comment down below. You know the routine, folks. Let me know what you think of my set of nails here for today. Subscribe to my channel, click all the notification bell so you get notified of all future videos, giveaways, and any important information that may come across my desk. That is all we have for today. We will see you next time. Have yourselves a blessed day, and thank you.